Hey guys, it's Kilby Browne with the Property House New York City team. Hope that you are having a fantastic day. Out for my daily walk, July 5th, coming at you with a little market update. New York City real estate's been open for about 2 weeks now where they can do showings. So supply is about 6,389, pending sales 1,540. That's coming down a little bit, and a lot of those sales are from pre-COVID. Supply is about 400, that's down from about 600 the week before, and contracts signed are 54, and that's down from the prior week. So what does this all mean? So basically, the spring market, which normally would have happened, was actually kind of starting to happen in February, April, has now been pushed to the end of June, July. But now we're at July 4th weekend, which is typically the summertime. People go on vacation, people leave the city. So usually July and August are very slow times in New York City sales. So some people are putting their property on the market, looking to sell, looking to make a move. Buyers are starting to go back out and see property. So slowly this process is going to work out. People are going to see properties, people are going to make offers, and things are going to happen, and the machine is going to get moving. A couple things to keep in mind. Next week, you're going to see a lot of reports, Q2 or first half compared to first half of last year, or Q2 numbers compared to Q2 numbers of the year before. Last year, the median price was skewed because a lot of people tried to get in under the July 1st mansion tax deadline. So the actual numbers and activity was higher last year because of this mansion tax. So the numbers were a little inflated last year, and obviously you have the COVID numbers down. So the divergence is going to be even greater when these reports come out. You can see, oh my God, the market is down, blah, 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 from last year. People are going to freak out. Well, it's not exactly all that. It's part COVID, and it's part of it was inflated last week. So these are a couple of things I want to bring up to you today. I'm out and about. If you need any help, Marizetti and I would love to chat, see if I can give you any advice, whether you should be extending your lease if you're renting, whether you should be out looking for property, or whether you should be looking to sell your property. We can help you look across the country. We're licensed in New York, but we can help you look across the country because we can find you an agent to help you in those other sectors. And obviously, any kind of real estate advice, we would love to help you. Hope you're enjoying the show. Please like, comment, subscribe. We're here for you daily. And God bless you. Stay safe. All the best. Have a great day. Hats off to you. Bye-bye.